The Data for Accountability project is in its second phase. And this work has been done to strengthen Parliament's oversight and representation roles. Under the second phase of DAP, we work with 3 committees. So to ensure fairness in the selection of the constituencies whose profiles will be prepared, we looked at the 3 committees, the chair and the ranking member, who represent the 2 main political parties in Parliament.
First of all, members of Parliament can be properly informed and can represent their people effectively, because the role of a member of Parliament is, among many others, representation, because that's what defines our democracy. And we want our members of Parliament, when they represent the people that they represent, to be in a position to make decisions not just simply based on hearsay, but based on reliable data.
The thematic areas that the administrative data templates cover are these: education, health, road network in each district, death, births, agriculture, crime, local economic development, electricity, forestry, water, and assembly revenue generation. Because we thought that was also an important part to put in the profile, to let members of Parliament easily see how the performance of the revenue generation is.
Now, this project, implemented in partnership with the African Center for Parliamentary Affairs, ACEPA, the Parliament of Ghana, and contain funds, with financial support from Hewlett Foundation, reflects our shared ambition to strengthen evidence-informed parliamentary oversight and inclusive local development by leveraging administrative data that is collected at the district level. These reports are based on administrative data spanning the period 2015 to 2022, and they are drawn from all 16 decentralized departments of selected districts. They provide time series of key indicators across sectors such as education, health, ICT access, infrastructure, agriculture, and district financing.
At ACEPA, our modest contribution to our national development has been to drive this culture of using data and evidence to ensure that whenever our leaders have conversations around the development of this country, at least they will agree that this is the data, but let's see how we interpret it, how we use it in terms of our various policies.
I think the time to support ACEPA and the Ghana Statistical Service is now. Having been in Parliament for 17 years, sometimes it's difficult to get data when you want to make a forceful argument. You know you have a case, but if you don't have data, you are weak. So sometimes, even as a country, we are forced to go to the UNDP for information, while we have our own statistical service. So if ACEPA and statistical service are in joint hands to provide and build up a data storage for Ghana, I think it's in the right direction. I wish to emphasize that without data, MDAs and MMDAs cannot plan and forecast to respond to the aspirations and needs of the citizenry. We are therefore very excited to be part of the launch of this Constituency Profile Report by the Ghana Statistical Service and ACEPA today. Indeed, evidence-based decision-making is the way to go, and the availability of reports such as this will go a long way in improving policy formulation and planning to deliver socio-economic facilities in the metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies.
Let me now thank all those who worked on the profile itself. It's been a long journey. Those who compiled the data, those who analyzed, who did the report, and then finally printed it. We say thank you, you've done well.